Oh boy.
Now let's check out the functions of this device. First model, press the light button for around 2 seconds to turn on the device. Then we will see the LEDs turning off. The LEDs blink super quickly. This is the model to detect the 940. So when we towards this to the window side, which is with sunshine and include the 940 nanometer night, then the indicator here will turn on and keep it solid. Let's see. See, the indicator here will keep solid, which means in this aspect there are 940 nanometer night vision lights. When we turn back, there is no indicator. The second function is to press this button again to turn on the pinhole camera detect mode. Press again. The LEDs will blink quickly, but not super quickly. When we put a practice camera lens under it, we will see a red dot through the viewfinder. Then we can find the hidden cameras. Like this. We can see a red dot shining here. That means there is a hidden cameras. Okay, these are the two models. Then we long press it to turn off it. When we press the Wi-Fi signal detect key for around 2 seconds, it will turn on with the default grade 3 level. See the blue light. Then when we move a mobile phone close, when it's calling, the device will show up. The signal will be higher and also with a vibrate on your hand. That means there are 4G listening device or 4G cameras or Wi-Fi cameras around you. When we take away, there is no signal, and close to it, the signal will come back again. That's it. And the long press, it will turn off. That's all. Thank you.